Let's break down the difference between these two code languages, Java and Python. Python has a lot to offer Java developers, and the languages are interesting both in their similarities and their differences. The differences between Python and Java at a higher level. This time, I'm diving slightly deeper and exploring some of the finer technical differences. The biggest similarity is almost everything is an object design, and their reputation for excellent cross-platform support, as well as things like immutable strings and deep, relatively standard libraries. There are big differences too. At the community level, Java has always had a single large corporate sponsor. Python support is more distributed. Although both are well within the Algo-like family of languages, Python's use of syntactically significant whitespace sets it a little further apart from the mainstream than Java, which is comfortably familiar in its C-like use of braces and semicolons. Thanks for tuning in.